here. It's a beautiful Cobra, 1965 Cobra replica. Really, really awesome car. It's a factory 5 kit, which is one of the better ones that I've seen out there. Really good kit. Love the fact that they used a late model 5-liter fuel injected motor, a 5-speed Tremec. You can cruise this car 80 miles an hour. All tubular coilover suspension. The car is like brand new. The whole body's been PPF protected. Really an amazing car. There's so much to list. It's just gorgeous. Showroom condition all around. Again, 5-speed Tremec, 5.0 liter. Disc brakes. Only 600 miles on this car. A little less since the build. 580 miles. It's absolutely beautiful. Check it out. HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. This is a really, really nice car.